At this point, I think the 370 social relief grant is not going anywhere. I think this will be continued for at least another 5 years, or even 10 years, or even forever. And yeah, why don't they just make this money at least 1,000 rands, so I can just chill at home and follow my dreams and not necessarily have to do a 9 to 5 anymore. So anyways, the High Court has ruled that they want at least easier access for everyone to get access to the 370 social relief grant, meaning that the threshold of you having maybe 624 rands in your account or less than that for you to get the grant, they want to challenge that. And also they want people to access the grant not just from your phone. Maybe you can go through other means, because there's a madala somewhere who's trying to access this money and they don't have a smartphone or an iPhone. Maybe they have a tweet somewhere and they want to access this grant but they can't, or they are technologically inclined. So this will be simpler, making it everyone to access the grant, even if you don't have a smartphone, or even if you are getting 2,000 in your account or 1,000 rands in your account, you can still get the grant. So a previous Pretoria High Court judgment found that critical design aspects of the SASSA grant, such as the online-only application process, strict bank database verification, and a low 624 rands means test threshold, unlawfully excluded millions of eligible people. The state, represented by the National Treasury and the Department of Social Development, argued that the grant was intended as a temporary COVID-19 relief measure, and that declaring it as a permanent facility or raising its value places an unaffordable burden on the fiscus. Organizations like the Institute for Economic Justice, IEJ, and the hashtag Pay the Grant, represented by the Social Economic Rights Institute of South Africa, SERI, are defending the lower court's findings, arguing that the high poverty levels require expanding access and increasing the grant amount to at least make sure that the living costs are mitigated, because right now everything is increasing. Inflation is crazy. I know there are some people who don't want these 370 to still exist, because they argue that many people that have access to this money are using it to buy alcohol and for things that are useless. But I argue that most of the people really need this money, especially females that have kids. They use this grant to actually make sure that they keep their household